Hey guys, in this step we'll be going for the deployment step. Okay, so again these are some prerequisites we should have in our system, and we already have the repository in our local system, so we'll be going for the DevOps this part and environments. Okay, so again from the root we'll start. So I'll open a new PowerShell. It's okay, and here will be cd, yeah, so environment. Okay, so there's a one more thing. Here they have mentioned the quick start local digit. This particular domain, either we should have domain and then we should expose and all that. The second part is if we make an entry in our local system about the domain, so our local setup will work. So we are going to make this entry in our local setup. Okay, one is with a 127 and one is with a public IP. So we'll again drivers etc host file. So I'll open a notepad, netnode, yeah, and this we'll see all the file, host file, and this will be measuring the public IP, which is here. Okay, so this is what step. So for testing, what we can do is just for testing, you can see something showing this IP. Very good. Okay, now going for this step, we need to go for deploy. Okay, we are already okay. We can reopen a new instance. Okay, so we'll be doing this. Now we need to run this particular command. Okay, let's wait for some time. Okay, so after running this command, we need to select yes. So we'll say yes. Do you want enter the full path of kubeconfig file? So we'll be giving the path of this file. Copy path, paste it, enter it. Please enter the context. So we'll be mentioning this. Okay, and we will be going the quick start setup 2.4 public events exit config yes. It will take some time, so we'll wait for that. Once it say thank you, we'll check whether it's creating all the pods or not. Okay, it's in initiation phase. See, and you can hide this part so that it's creating. We'll wait for some time. Yeah, it's creating. Okay, so there's some problem with the Kafka cluster. Both are having the crash loopback of problem. So for that, eGov team has already mentioned the solution. So again, we need to go into cluster and we need to get the permission and then we need to see. So to going back to the cluster, the command is we need to mention the public IP. This. Okay, this is the command. Okay, so we are on this part. Git bash. Right, so we need to go to home directory. We need to give the permission. Okay, and now we need to do this. This we can do it in local system only. Right, so again this step. No, we should do it in VM system, so I'll be mentioning the path. And we should have the card also. Yeah. So again we'll check it whether now it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so both things are running. Now we can use our curl command. Set. We are in local system. This should be okay. The next step is after the deployment, we want to see the site. So for that we need to first do the kube forwarding. So what does it mean? It's like we are creating a tunnel between local system and deployed system. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. We'll just verify all our pods are ready or not. All are up. Yeah, and we have done the kube forwarding. Now we already have a Postman. We will be importing this bootstrap URL. Okay, seek data. So we'll open the Postman. In that we'll keep the link. Continue. Import. Okay, so we will do right click or run this collection. Okay, so all our calls should be successful. We'll just see whether it's working. Yes, 200, 200. Yeah, all are yes. Okay, so credentials are also means execution is done. So next step is we can open this in our local system. So I'll be opening in the private browsing. Okay, secure. We'll give the username Ziaro. And password is Sun City A. Yeah, so this is the interface where we can file a complaint and we can see it. Okay, so that's all. Our quick setup is done. Now we should delete the setup. So as we are this for local setup. Okay, or again if we want to delete the cluster step by step, then what we have to do is we have to again go back to the our VM machine. So I'll be doing this part. Okay, I'm logging to remote machine. Right, it doesn't have this. Okay, so the best option right now we have is we'll go back to our Terraform folder and we'll destroy the complete Terraform. We will destroy the setup only. So again, if you go back to the previous step, so in the last it was mentioned Terraform destroy. So what we'll do is we will be going for root folder. Okay, we'll be going to this particular path. Sorry. Okay, we'll copy it to some particular place. Yeah, here. So we'll be. This path is not fully correct. Okay, that's it. quick start AWS EC2 here, and then Terraform destroy. Wait. Actually, previously we were not able to show the EC2, right? So it was showing instance because we have selected the US East one. So if we select the AP South Mumbai, we should be able to see the instances. It's running. So now I'll run this Terraform destroy. Okay. So again, the setup should be get deleted. Yeah. So we again need to verify. Yes. Let's see. Let's wait for some time. Yeah. Shutting down. So there's a clean installation and clean setup. So that's all for this session. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay.